For the records that have a sequence in them, they can be better shown on a UI using a timeline kind of pattern. Now in our systems, we already have a timeline widget. Let's see how we can use it. So I'm here in my Service Studio in an application that has two entities, customers, and some comments on these customers. This is how the relationship looks like. One customer can have many comments. Now what I'm going to do next is quickly drag and drop the customer entity to build my customer listing and details page. Platform does it very fast just to give us a head start. The listing page looks okay. I will not modify this, but on the detail page, this is where I want to do certain modifications. For example, the default way for displaying comment is very tabular. Okay, now nothing wrong with this, but since there's a sequence of some sort of events here where we have statuses changing and somebody is taking action on these items, maybe we can use the timeline widget to display it better. Now, once I drag and drop, just to take a step back, the comments table here, what the platform did for me is it built automatically this query, get comments by customer ID, which is what I'm going to retain, but I'm going to get rid of this table on the screen. I can take the help of widget tree to be very precise of what I need and what I need to delete. For example, these three things I don't need. And instead of this, what I will use is a list item. And on this, we'll use the timeline. So basically, before I do that, I can also associate this list with that query I spoke about earlier. And then I can use the timeline in there. Now you will see the moment I add timeline, there are a few sections here, which is where we are going to pick up the information from our comment and put it there. For example, date, time, and perhaps the created by can come here. And the status and the comment can go here. That's it. Let's publish the application to see the outcome. All right, we'll launch the application. It's here, our listing page, and I have previously added the comments in one particular customer, this one. And if I open it, you can see how the timeline widget makes it appear nicely. Thanks.